Hey there, welcome back to Learn for Life. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 10 tips for tax saving for professionals. Tax season can be a stressful time, but by following these tips, you can save yourself some money and reduce your stress. Tip number 1: keep accurate records. Make sure to keep all of your receipts and documents organized and in one place. This will make it much easier to file your taxes and ensure that you take advantage of all of the deductions you're entitled to. Tip number 2: take advantage of deductions. As a professional, there are many deductions you may be eligible for. These might include things like home office expenses, travel costs, and business-related education. Tip number 3: max out your retirement accounts. Contributions to 401ks and a Roth can reduce your taxable income, so be sure to contribute as much as you can. Tip number 4: keep track of your expenses. Make sure you're keeping track of any business-related expenses that you might be able to deduct on your taxes. This could include things like office rent, supplies, and equipment. Tip number 5: look into tax credits. There are many tax credits available to professionals, such as the Research and Development Credit, the Low-Income Housing Credit, and the Renewable Energy Credit. Tip number 6: be mindful of timing. The timing of when you make certain purchases or take certain deductions can have a big impact on your taxes. For example, if you buy a new car, it might be more beneficial to do it at the end of the year so you can deduct the full cost on your taxes. Tip number 7: look into self-employment tax deductions. If you're self-employed, you may be able to deduct certain expenses, such as office supplies and the cost of your health insurance. Tip number 8: consult a tax professional. A tax professional can help you identify deductions you may have missed and ensure that you're taking advantage of all of the tax savings available to you. Tip number 9: be aware of the deadline. Make sure you're aware of the deadlines for filing your taxes, and file on time to avoid penalties. Tip number 10: plan for next year. As soon as tax season is over, start planning for next year. This will allow you to take steps to reduce your taxes for the next year and save you a lot of money in the long run. Remember, these are general tips, and laws and regulations could change from year to year, so make sure to check with your tax professional or the IRS for the most current information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, take care.